Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jada and today I will be unboxing some things I got to maintain my braces. If you want to see what all I got, make sure you guys watch the video full through. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, so I have this Smile Direct Club water flosser. It's white and purple. Come with a water flosser guide. This is how it looks in the box. This is the water flosser. This is the part you put the water in, right here. I think you open this right here and pour the water in here and it fills all the way to the top. And this is the pick. It comes with two of them. Stick it on. And it also comes with a charger and a block that goes to it. Next, I have this Equate Infinity toothbrush with Easy Flex flossing brush head. This is how it looks. It has the toothbrush. This can come off, and it has another head that goes to it. And it also has instructions and a charging base. And I can sit my head right here. If I didn't tell you guys, this is the second day of me having my braces. I got them done yesterday. And now I'm going to show you guys how they look. And I'm also going to keep y'all updated on what I use to maintain them and how they get straight. So be on the lookout for those videos. This is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.